Welcome students, welcome to St. Anthony. Let us start with our lesson which yesterday we have saw about how the computer is useful for man. Okay, in the first half what we have saw that computer can do multiplication, the mathematical operations, computer can save your data information. Modern computers are very helpful, but still they have some lacking. Okay, they are not able to do what exactly we are telling to telling them if we are not specialized in that. Okay, after that what we have seen that if you want to process the computer smoothly, if you want to know the computer or understands the computer, what you have to do, a set of code instructions, you have to learn a set of code. Okay, and that code instructions you have to give it to the computer. Okay, and that is called known as a program. Okay, so what is a computer program? Computer program is a set of code instructions written for a computer. Okay, that is called your program. And to understand that program, you have to be a specialized person in that. Okay, writing a computer program is a very special thing, or it's a very challenging task, specialized task. Okay, till this we have learned. Let us see what the next is. Now, a computer on its own does not make judgment about the instructions given to it. What the writer is telling that a computer on its own, okay, it cannot do the work by its own. You have to sit in front of that. You have to use the keyboards, mouse, okay, the set of instructions you have to give what exactly you want to do it on the computer. Then the computer can make the judgment, or else it will not be helpful, it will not make the judgment. Okay, so it will not make the judgment. It follows the instructions blindly. Okay, it follows the instructions blindly. If you typed it, it is it just a minute. Huh? Okay, let us continue. Let us continue. It follows the instructions blindly. That is why the instructions have to be written very, very carefully. What he is telling that the computer is not able to make the judgment. It is not going to do its own work. It is not going to do his work by his own. You have to give the instructions. You have to type it, and then the computer will do it blindly. Blindly means what? Without understanding that, without uh, anything, he will do it. Okay, that is called blindly. He will follow that blindly. And that is why when you are giving the instructions, when you are doing something, you have to be very, you should be very, very careful when you are giving the instructions, when you are doing something. Okay, so for example, if you have decided that today I want to play the game on the computer, what you have to just understand, have to open बंद कर, बंद बंद बंद. So it should be just very, very careful. The instruction must cover every step involved in an operation. It should be involved every operation. For example, I was talking about doing playing game on the computer. Let's leave that, but talk about the operations. If you want to solve the mathematical operation, in that you have addition, subtraction, multiplication. What you have to do, you have to be very very careful when you want to find out the answers. There are some rules, there are some instructions that if you do not follow that, after the your answer will be totally wrong. Okay, so follow the instructions or involve whatever steps are involved in that. You have to be very very careful. You have to be very very careful. If you miss a step, the computer will not correct it. If you miss the step, then computer will not do it correctly. It will not going to give you the proper judgment. One has to think carefully to imagine every step involved in any task. What? You have to be very careful. You have to understand each and every proper step to be followed by, and then only you can go and touch the mobile. For example, when you are going to start your Zoom lectures, what happens? You people just type the Zoom ID and you people started to join. So what happens? The mobile phone which you are using, that for mobile name displays in the participant list as your name. So that means you have skipped the step. Okay, what you have done, you haven't uh, followed the proper step. How to follow the proper step? Just type the Zoom ID. Once you have to type, next time it will automatically be admitted over there. Okay, you just have to touch the triangle and select the number. You have to select that number. Okay, so that is the process. You have typed the Zoom ID. Next to that, you have to type your name, standard division roll number. Then you have to join. Yes or no? And after that, you have to type the passcode. Then you are able to enter in the class. Then also you have so many steps: muting yourself, closing your camera, okay, wishing the teacher good morning. That all the steps you have to follow carefully. So you have to follow each and every step that are very simple. It's a very simple task to follow the steps. If you know how to go there, if you know the address, you can reach it properly. But you have to go very carefully. Now, here one example is given. Okay, very simple example is being given, and you just have to. You have to be very careful to do that. Let us try to understand which example is given over here. Suppose your mother has asked you to buy vegetables. What? Your mother has asked you to go and buy the vegetables. Now you are big enough, you are elder. Now what you can do? Your mother will give you the task and you have to do that. So what task is given by the mother? That go and have some vegetables or buy some vegetables for me. You have to divide the task into smaller ones. Okay, you have to decide that what exactly I'm going to do for buying the vegetables. The first thing, that go to the grocery shop and buy. That is the simple task. So as the smaller, if you have divided it into the smaller ones, what will be the first step will be go to the grocery shop. Second one, pick up the vegetables you want and paying for them. Third, come back home and hand a load to the mother. Okay, but in these three tasks, there are so many smaller and the smaller tasks are there. Okay, if you wanted to know that the computer follows this type of task. So what, going to the grocery shop, as well as when you are started to go, you have to take the bag for the vegetables and the money. Okay, you need the money to buy that. So both the things you have to carry with you. Start from your home, start walking. Okay, leave the home, walk down the street, whatever turn you have to take, left or right, you know the direction. The vegetable market is next to the right side, it is turned by the left. What is that? So take a turn. After taking the turn, you just have to walk down till you reach the street. Okay, then cross the street, enter the grocer's shop. Okay, and after entering, picking up the vegetables, paying to the shopkeeper, then coming back to the home and giving that groceries to your mother. That is the simple steps, but you have divided that into the smaller ones. You have divided that into the smaller ones. Each of these smaller tasks can again be divided further into even more smaller tasks. Okay, the task which is given over here, first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. If these tasks you want to divide them into the smaller, you can. Okay, so once you this lecture will be over, try to do it. Try to divide the task into the smaller. Okay, try to divide that into the smaller part. Thus we see that computers are smarter than men. What we have seen that, yes, the computers are smarter. Everyone says that, oh, it's very smart. Huh? It does the work very quickly. Within a fraction of second, I'll get the answer. I'm able to attend my online lectures. I'm able to play the online games. I'm able to see the videos. I'm able to click my pictures. We say that computers are smarter. Okay, if we compare with the human, we always say computers are smarter than men. But do you know that it is the man who made the computer, not the computer made the man? It is the man made material. Okay, so if we are trying to compare it with that it is the computer's coding, understanding the language. These are so many difficult tasks which the man has to be understood, which the man has to give to that computer. Then computer will follow that blindly. Computer is not going to understand that. Okay, so that difficult task, that difficult job was done by the man. And why do the man do? Because he wanted to make it smarter enough. Okay, he wanted to save the time. That is why the computers are smarter nowadays. The man is being lazy. The man is lazy. Pencil है? Eraser के अंदर? Okay, it is the man who made it easy. Okay, so this was all about the computer, that if computers are made to make our life easy, computers are given us the chance to save the time, to save the energy, but then also so many people are behind this computer, those who made it. They have worked a lot, they have researched a lot to make our life easier. understand that, and whenever you are doing any kind of task, being with that, understand everything and do it. Don't just follow blindly. Don't be dependent on any other machine. Think of that and do. Whenever it is needed, we can use it. We have the advantages. But if we totally depended on that, it will not give you the proper judgment. It will not give you the proper correct answer. So think of that and follow the steps. Okay. So I hope all of you must have understood the lesson. It was very simple lesson. Nothing was there in that. You just have to understand that the computers are important, but it is the man who made it is more important. It is made to save the time. It is made to uh, just have the to do difficult task in a second, to save the memories, save the information, but don't be totally dependent on that. One of the example I would like to give you that today we are using the phones, okay, and we save that numbers, our relatives number, friends number, we have WhatsApp, we save all these things in the mobile and we forget about that. But once if your mobile battery is down, what happens if you want to make an urgent call? Yes, we haven't by hearted the number. That was the lacking behind this. Don't be totally dependent on that mobile. Okay? Try to understand the importance of that number. Learn or by heart the numbers, your parents' number, the relatives, okay, any other thing which you are able to use it without the mobile, do it. Okay? And then only be dependent on that. So this was the lesson computers we have done. Okay? I hope all of you must have understood all the lessons. Any kind of hard words, any kind of new words are there, you wanted to just read the book, underline that words, and try to understand what exactly that words or that sentence is telling you. Okay. So the next time, whatever I told you, that was only so that the next time you play a game on a computer or watch a video or obtain some information, what you have to do, think of the man who put it so many efforts to make it possible. As I have told you, if you are using the computer, think of the efforts which the other man has done. Okay, how many researchers, how many people have worked on that computer? Think of that and do it. Okay, that was today's computer. Okay, I hope you must have understood everything. Okay. Yes. Efforts means making or doing that task very correctly, making a working hard is called making your efforts. You try to do it. That is called efforts. And once when you sit on the computer, computers are specially uh, made for trial and error method. What is the trial and error method? Means if you want to learn it, you have to do it practically. Try to learn it. If you done the mistakes, error that, erase that, and again you can make that thing. You can do it, you can learn it. Okay, that was the computer. Error means doing the mistakes, but here you can solve that mistakes by doing. Keep trying, keep trying. If you are doing the mistakes, keep learning. Okay, once you started to learn something, you have to do it or you have to try again and again. Obtained means what we can say, obtained means uh, accepting something. Okay, any other doubt if you have, you can ask me. Yes, subdivided means dividing the things in small parts. Dividing the things in the smaller parts is called subdivide. Accuracy means being accurate, being correct. Okay, without any mistake. That is called your accuracy. Gathering means collecting the things, collecting the information, collecting the objects. That is called gathered. We gathered in the garden. That means we have there in the garden. Gathered, being collective. Okay. Any other doubts if you have? Vidisha, how many times I have to tell? No emojis. Bound means bound means like that. Certain to do something. Okay, you are doing something. That is called bound to do. Yes, why you were raising the hand? That's what exactly I wanted to tell you, that if you are totally dependent on something, don't follow them blindly. Okay, don't follow the things blindly. Learn that, try to understand what is exactly, and then do it. That is called your completion of task. You have completed that task. Okay. Okay, very good, Swaranjali, very good, everyone. Involved means getting engaged with something. You are involved in doing that task. That means participant, you participate in that. Occurs means what we can say. mm, Occurs means to happen it, or it has to be planned, or it have happens to be fine, exist. Okay, existence of something. Alternative means giving options, giving so many kinds of options. Okay. What are the meanings of efforts? Efforts mean doing hard works behind anything. If you are trying to do something, you keeps on doing, that is called your effort. You keep trying. Your energy, use of your energy. Okay, all these are about the computers. Okay, so what is your task? You can divide the any kind of task into subdivide in that, divide it into smaller parts and try to do that. Okay, that is called your. Okay, what is the meaning of efforts? As I have told you right now, efforts means doing that things again and again, trying to make it very careful. Okay, that is called effort. You keep doing any, you want to learn anything, yes or no? Whatever strength, whatever energy you use it to make, learn that thing, that is called your efforts. Lots of energy you use it to learn that thing, that is called your efforts. Okay, have you understood now? Swaranjali, Shreyan, other student, those who are asking. Yes, efforts, using lots and lots of energy. Accuracy means being correct, understanding the accuracy. If your mother is cooking something and if she is accurately she put the salt, then only it will taste better. That is called the accuracy of putting the salt in the soup. That means exactly, correctly. Okay? Yes, very good. Welcome all of you. That means we have done all with the computer lesson. I think no one is having the doubt. We have cleared all the things. Okay, we learned about the mathematical operations, how to do it on the computer, how can we save, or what are the things which we can save on the computers, instructions, data, information, videos, music, everything we can use it. But in and all, what, we are not going to be totally dependent on that. We are going to learn that, and then only we are going to use it in our daily life. That was the lesson wanted to tell us. So